So today I have a haul for you, and I haven't done one of these in ages. If you saw it on my Instagram, I did have a bit of a makeup clear out. I did film it and then decided I didn't like the video, so I ended up deleting it. So there will be no decluttering video, unfortunately. Some of the makeup stuff that I did get rid of, I am donating to Chris's little sister and to a friend, and other bits I am just getting rid of because they're just old and manky and horrible and lol. So I took it upon myself that because I decided that I was going to have a makeup clear out, I decided I was going to go ahead and get some more makeup, which was a very bad decision because I am absolutely terrible when I go into like Superdrug or if I'm on the Debenhams website or whatever. And I do have three other items that are not really makeup related, but I wanted to put them in this video anyway because I can. So I am going to start off with all the makeup related items. The first one is this one. This is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Anti-Fatigue Foundation. Now, I've never really tried a Bourjois foundation before, and my friend Chloe, you will be hearing a lot about her in this video, she had her makeup done by one of my other friends and she used this foundation, and she says it's really good. So I decided, well, I wanted to do a new drugstore foundation because I've been using my Kat Von D one a lot and that one is expensive, and I wanted an alternative so I wasn't using that one all the time, if you get what I mean. So I went ahead and got this one. I think this is about £10. It's 16 hour wear with vitamin mix C, E and B5. I have the shade number 50, which I believe is Ivory Rose. It is a little bit pink for me, but I can make it work. I do really like it. I have tried it out a lot. It is the one that I'm currently wearing at the moment. But yeah, I do like that one. The next thing is one that Chloe actually got me because it was so difficult to find this actual product in store. We'd been to the Superdrug in Meadowhall. I went into my local Superdrug and I couldn't find it. There was only so many shades of this one that I could find, and it was like C9 to... It was C9 and upwards were the only shades that those two stores had. C8 downwards, so like C8 to C1, you could not find any of the shades anywhere. So Chloe went online and ordered these. She ordered two of these because she ordered one for herself because she was after it as well. And it is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Defined Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. It's a concealer, if you hadn't already guessed by the name. This is in C1, so this is the lighter shade. It is also one I've got under my eyes at the minute. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I have to say that one slowly because I can never, ever say that quickly. But having never tried that one, I can't really give you my opinion on it. I can't really say, and Pepper's just not my tripod, thanks Pep, but I can't really give you my opinion on that. But I do like it. I do have to try it out a lot more before I can actually decide whether I love it or hate it, but at the minute I like it, so yep, got that one. So I got two new brow products and I am wearing both of them today. The first one is the Maybelline Brow Precise Fibre Fillet Brow Mascara. This is in medium brown. Now I found the one on this so weird, but I am wearing this today and I do like it. It's a bit of a weird one. It's another one that I am going to have to try out a lot more before I decide whether I do like it a lot or not. But at the minute I'm liking it. The next thing that I got was also another recommendation from Chloe, and this was the NYX Tame Frame. It's the tinted brow pomade. This is in brunette. So it comes in a little box like this and then it looks like this. The reason I got this is because my Makeup Revolution one is on its way out. It's still usable, it's just drying up a little bit, so it is on its way out. And I decided I was going to go ahead and get this one. I ordered this off of the Debenhams website, but I know that you can get them in Boots. So this is what it looks like. This is in brunette. And again, this is a product that I'm wearing. I find this so easy to use. So we never know, that might become my new favourites. So I also got the Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Eye Primer. I just wanted to try out a different primer other than my Dainty Doll one or my Essence eyeshadow base. And I do like this one. It's giving me Urban Decay Primer Potion vibes. I will have to try it out a little bit more, but I do like that. And another thing I got, I finally got a new Barry M liquid liner. So if you've not heard the story on this one, Pepper destroyed it. First things first, the little pot where the eyeliner is actually held, she chewed it, and it was actually running out, so I did need a new one, but I got this one. I think they've repackaged it, or they've just changed the packaging a little bit, but it's the Eye Define liquid liner. This is in ebony, so it is black, but I really do like this eyeliner. I like the brush on it. I just like that it dries quickly and it's really easy to use. So I do have some new palettes, but before I do go ahead and get into them, I'm just gonna show you this. So this is a new highlighter that I got. It's one of the Makeup Revolution Ingot highlighters. This is in platinum. It's the one that I've got on my cheeks at the minute. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite nice. I do find that you do have to dig into the product a little bit just to get it going first off, but it is nice. It's like a silvery white highlighter, but it is really quite nice. I think that's about £4, that one. I'm going to do all the Makeup Revolution stuff first because there is a lot of Makeup Revolution in here. So the next one I got was the Soph from Soph Does Nails, her palette with Makeup Revolution. I am a little bit late to the party with this one, and yeah, I know a lot of people have used it before, so like they've done a lot of reviews and tutorials and stuff like that on it. So I am a little bit late to the party, but I just really wanted to try it. It's 24 eyeshadows. I think it's about £10. But it comes in this really nice box, and then you get this really nice matte, it's like creamy, what's it called, packaging. You get a really nice big mirror with it, which has my foundation over it, and then you get all of these colours, which I do really like the names on. Some of them are really quite cool. So you've got like Cup of Tea, Copper Coin, Rosewood, Pink Champagne, Strawberry Sweets. So I do like that palette, and like I said, I am wearing it at the moment because this look that I am wearing, there will be a video on this look. It'll be after this one. It's kind of like my testing new products kind of video, but I did use that one. I also used this, which is the Ultra Pro HD Powder Contour in Fair. I think I used these two shades. I needed it. Well, I didn't really need a new contour colour, but I wanted one that was a little less orange and a little less warm. I do really like my sleek contour, the face kit, so you get like the like a powder bronzer slash contour powder and a highlighter. But I wanted to try this one out because it's got a lot more contour shades in it. So I'll let you know how I go on with that one. So my next item is actually, or I believe it might be, a dupe for one of the other palettes that I do have, and it's the Naked, and it's the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Fever palette. Now, I don't actually know, but some of these colours do look very, very similar to the Naked Heat palette, and I kind of wanted to do a comparison video with them, and I just really like some of the shades in. I know they've got more shades in this one than they do in the Naked Heat one, but I just wanted to try that one out. And then I've also got this one. So Superdrug have a deal on at the moment that if you spend, I think it's £12, something like that, you get a palette free. So actually have two of these. These are the Love Conquers All palettes. You can tell I've been into Superdrug and spent like nearly £12 in there. So one I am keeping to one side, like the hashtag Riverholic Eyes palette, because they did a deal with that one like ages ago. So one I am keeping to one side and one I'm keeping for myself. So you get highlight, I think you get, that's the highlighter, and then you get 6 eyeshadows. So I can't wait to try that one out. And the other one will maybe be going in a giveaway. I don't know, we shall see. So my next palette is one that I wanted since I've seen the reviews on it, since it came out, you know, the whole jazz, but it is the Urban Decay. It won't stay in the sleeve. The Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. So this is the sleeve that it comes in. It looks really, really nice. And then it comes in this really nice box with like fiery roses on it. And then this is the actual palette itself. I think this retails on Debenhams for about £39.50 or something like that. Which normally I would be screaming at spending that much, but I really, really, really wanted this palette. I just love it. It looks amazing. So when you open it, you get all of these colours. You get a mirror, and you also get a brush in this. And when I said that the Fever palette looked very, very similar to it, if I hold them up together, I mean, yes, the Fever palette does have a lot more shades in it, but they do look very, very similar. So I might have to do a comparison with that one, but I really do love that palette. I have used it already, and it's just amazing. The shimmers in it are so pigmented, it is like unbelievable. And the last few little makeup bits are these guys here. These are the Eyelaw eyelashes. So I got some natural ones. You'll have seen all these before because I tend to use Eyelaw lashes a lot. So I got the number 31 naturals, the number 35 lengthening ones, and also the number 5 accent ones, which are the ones I am actually wearing at the moment. Okay, so the last 3 things in this haul that are not makeup-y things are, first of all, this little guy here. This is from Wilkinson's. It's a little bit like a Tangle teaser with a handle. So you can use it on wet or dry hair. Mine's a little bit manky at the minute, even though I've only just put it. But it is really, really good. And it's better than a normal brush because, like I said, it just gets all the tangles out of your hair. So it is really good, that one. Also, again, these guys. I got some new boots. I wanted some new boots, but I didn't want any like knee-high ones. I really do like my the like tan knee-high boots. They're okay, but sometimes you just need something that's only ankle high. So I got these. These were on JustFab. They did only cost me, I think, they were about £19. They should have been £54, because I cancelled my membership with them, because if you get a VIP membership with them, you do get a lot of money off them, but then it's like £35 a month, and they take it out of your account if you don't buy a pair of shoes in that month, or you don't skip the month. So I ended up ringing them and cancelling my membership, and they'd already took £35 out in my account, and they won't put it back, so they kind of gave it me as a credit. So I got money off of these, and they did only cost me £19. And they are really nice. They're this really nice like taupe colour with a little bit of wool on the top, just to give it that effect that you've got like socks overhanging. They are a really nice boot. They're in a size 6.5. I always get, when I'm ordering like shoes online, I always tend to get 6.5. I am a size 6, but I tend to get 6.5 because I find the size 6 sizes online are sometimes a little bit too small. So I got them. They are really, really nice and comfy. And the final thing that I got is, I didn't actually buy this, my friend Chloe got it me. It was kind of one of those, she sent me a picture of it, and it like, oh, I I thought of you when I saw this kind of thing. This was actually on Sunday when we were all at work, and we sent her on a McDonald's run, and she came back with it, which I was really surprised at, and it is this little guy. It's a Hedwig cushion. It is so soft and fluffy and cuddly, and I just love it. It's from Primark. I think it retails at about £8, but it is so soft and cuddly, and Pepper did actually try to nick it off me when I brought it home, but I love it. It's so cuddly. I could just cuddle it all day, literally. It's so nice. But yeah, so that is it for my haul. If you've tried any of the makeup products out, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, like whether you like them, whether you hate them, what you kind of think of them. I like reading everybody's comments and like their views on everything. If you want to see more videos, then please just click that little subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you get to see when I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up as well. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Stay beautiful, stay awesome, and I shall see you all soon. Bye!